everybody, good morning Australia and good morning to all my followers. Today my husband and I were driving again somewhere, going inspection with my husband. So it's a bit raining here in Australia. Hello sa mga kaibigan ko sa Toronto na nagre-rails, yung mga kaibigan ko sa rails sa Amerika. Hindi ko na isa-isa yung mga pangalan nyo kasi marami kayo. Maraming salamat sa suporta ninyo sa akin sa YouTube at saka sa UK, sa mga nagpapalo sa akin sa Germany at saka sa ang dami na hindi ko sa Japan, sa Thailand. Maraming salamat yung mga Pilipina na nagpapalo sa akin, at sa Hong Kong, Philippines. Maraming salamat yung mga OFW. Hindi ko na mabanggit yung mga pangalan nyo kasi alam naman nyo na matalino ako magbasa. Sa mukha ko lang sila nakikilala. Maraming salamat sa suporta ninyo sa akin sa YouTube. And to all my friends in YouTube, thank you so much around the world that we are following each other. Thank you so much. Right now in Australia, it's raining. And I am blah 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 blah. My husband is always blah blah blah. My husband, stop talking nonsense. Yeah. Things what we have to do about our contents. See, I'm not young. I'm not doing things like dancing or break dancing or singing. I don't have that talent. My talent only is talking nonsense. And also like now, just the road, place where we going. That's my talents only for my content. Doing this because I'm happy, because I have a lot of friends, even that we don't see each other. I'm happy because I'm getting a friend and YouTube. So that's most important. So to all my friends that they message me on my Messenger, thank you so much. We have time to talk. So you can see, guys, we are in the countryside. I am in the countryside in Australia. I like countryside in Australia. So thank you for following me, guys. I'll see you in the next videos. Right now, I'm gonna have a cigarette.